Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you master cooking with stainless steel pans. Preheat your pan over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the metal to expand evenly. A properly preheated pan is the secret to preventing food from sticking later on. After preheating, add about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, swirling it gently to coat the entire surface. Wait another 30 seconds or so until the oil just begins to shimmer before adding your ingredients. Heat control truly is the cornerstone of cooking with stainless steel. Unlike nonstick pans, these require a more deliberate approach to temperature. Aim for medium heat settings for the vast majority of your cooking tasks. Too high, and you risk scorching your food and creating stubborn stuck-on bits. Allow your pan to reach the desired temperature gradually, usually for 3 to 4 minutes, before adding any ingredients. This patience ensures even cooking and less sticking. Many believe stainless steel is inherently sticky, but proper technique changes everything. Once your pan is preheated, try the water droplet test. Flick a few drops of water into the hot pan. If they dance and evaporate, your pan is perfectly ready. If they simply sit there, it is not hot enough yet. Remember, never overcrowd your pan. Giving food space allows it to sear properly. This prevents steaming and sticking. Cook your proteins in smaller batches if needed, using about 1/4 of the pan's surface area. Sometimes, the problem might not be with your home network, but with Netflix's servers themselves. Before going through more complex troubleshooting, check the official Netflix Help Center or their social media pages. They often post updates if there are any widespread service disruptions or outages affecting their streaming capabilities for millions of users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.